He took me back to East Atlanta. But my heart is in Havana. There's something about Atlanta. Havana. He didn't walk up with that how you doing. When he came in, said there's a lot of girls I can do it. But I can't make that move. Holding it. That's on my night. Ever since he got Milo in him, he got me feeling wow. I knew it when I met him. I left him when I left him.
Benim katılışlarım ve gelip kapısından gelecek hatırına şarkı
Ya.
Aramızda buna geç. Biz artık kapısından gelecek hatırına